If your body looks young but your face doesn't, that's not genetics, it's not bad luck. It means that you're aging wrong. Today, I'm breaking down why your face is actually aging faster than your body. The mistakes that you're making that are quietly wrecking your good looks. I'm also gonna share with you the simple, quick, easy fixes to slow it down. And before I get into this video, because I want you to look amazing, I'm gonna give you an incredible deal. Gentlemen, right now, limited time. If you wanna grab and get started with T. Shanley, if you go through my special link, you're gonna get 30% off whichever system you want. We've got 3 different options. You're also gonna get a free sea salt spray while supplies last. I did this deal a few months ago and we sold out of the sea salt spray like super quick. So if you're interested in grabbing this incredible deal, looking better, more handsome, hit the link down below. Do not wait. 30% off whichever system you want, plus a free sea salt spray. Think of T. Shanley and skincare in general as fitness for your face, all right? Which brings me to the first reason why your face is aging worse than your body. You actually work out and take care of your body. This is one of the biggest things, right? So many guys spend time, money, energy taking care of their body. They've got a routine. They go to the gym, they work out. Sometimes they do legs, usually they don't, but they've got a routine. They've got a system that they implement in order to take care of their body. But their face, they neglect it. They actually treat it like an afterthought. Guys, fitness for your face. You've got to start developing a routine for your face if you want it to look as good as your body, all right? Wash your face twice a day, moisturize morning and night. Make sure that you exfoliate at least twice a week in order to remove the top dead layer of skin. The second reason why your face is aging faster than your body is all day, every day, the sun is hammering that handsome face, right? Your body's covered with clothing. Your face is taking a brutalizing pounding every single day you go outside. The sun is not great in terms of making you look young, fresh, and healthy. Now, a tan makes you look younger and youthful, but the byproduct to being exposed to the UVA and UVB rays is actually damaging your face. It's making you prematurely age and wrinkle, all right? Which is why every single one of you needs to use a moisturizer with an SPF of 20 before you leave the house every single day. The third reason why your face is aging faster is because the skin on your face is thinner and more delicate and sensitive than the skin on your body. The skin on your body is thicker, a little bit tougher, which is why you can use harsh body washes and soaps on your body and it doesn't look all like old and dehydrated and like wrinkly like your balls. Your face, on the other hand, all right, the skin is thin. It loses collagen easy. You've got to make sure that you're using a more mild product on your face. Do not ever use the same soap on your body that you use on your face, period. The next reason why your face is looking older than your body is hair loss, all right? Not to mention your teeth. 2 things I'm gonna unpack real quick. One of the things that ages your face is having thin hair or hair that's falling out, right? When you're prematurely bald or when you're losing your hair, it does send the message that you are older. It makes your face look older, all right? And so what I recommend is don't lose your hair if you don't want to, or get a style that's conducive to a more youthful sort of appearance without looking like you're trying too hard to like cover up the fact that you are receding, all right? You can also grow a beard. This is another great way to actually accentuate your face, make it look a little bit stronger and more structured, but I will tell you that a graying beard or hair is also something that does make you look a little bit older. And so if you're looking to maximize your youthfulness, you definitely don't want to have gray hair. You could color it or shave your beard off if it does start to get gray, but it does make you look sexy. And your teeth is another thing, all right? When you smile, if your teeth are dull, if they're yellow or discolored, this automatically does make your face look older than your body, all right? The next thing we got to talk about is smoking, right? If you're smoking, this is destroying your face. It's making you prematurely age, it's making your teeth yellow, and it's making you look worse and older than your body. Actually, that's not true. When you smoke like marijuana, that does actually make your body look worse and softer and doughier, because there's been a bunch of studies that show that THC will increase your estrogen level, which decreases your testosterone, which is why a lot of guys that do smoke a lot will have man boobs and a dad bod. A general rule of thumb is stop smoking anything. Like, just don't smoke and you'll be a lot younger looking and your face will not age like old balls, which brings me to your eyes, all right? Another thing that ages you quickly is having awful looking eyes. If your eyes have dark circles, if the skin, which is the thinnest skin on your body, your eyelids, if it starts to get like wrinkly or crepey or baggy, it looks old quick. Every single one of you should be using an eye cream every single day. And this is one of those things that you don't want to wait until you've got a problem. You need to start now. The loss of collagen is something that we have to fight, all right? Because when the collagen starts to go away, your skin loses plumpness, it loses elasticity. Something you can do, like we said, is skincare, but you can also supplement additional collagen, all right? These are 2 collagen supplements that I have. I love collagen. I started supplementing collagen every single day. I will add a scoop to my protein in the morning, my protein shake. It's tasteless and it's a great way to give my body a little extra collagen. Something else that actually boosts collagen is exfoliation, which is the next mistake that ages you, and that is never exfoliating your face, all right? Dead skin cells, they build up on top of each other. The way that you actually remove it is by gently exfoliating your face in the shower, all right, with a gentle exfoliating scrub. Using an exfoliating scrub twice a week in the shower, all right, it's going to gently remove that top dead layer of skin. It's gonna bring new, fresh, healthy skin to the surface, but it also stimulates collagen production. Hydration. The next thing that makes your face look old and like old balls is not being hydrated, right? If you're drinking too much alcohol, you're dehydrated. If you're drinking too much caffeine, you're dehydrated. If you're not drinking enough H2O, you are dehydrated. Gentlemen, a gallon a day, no question. Don't even talk to me about like it's too much. It's not too much. A gallon of water a day. I put a little bit of lemon in that water so that it tastes a little bit better. The lemon acts as a natural diuretic. It also will reduce the puffiness of my face. Flush that face. How are you gonna flush it? You're gonna drink enough water, you're gonna reduce the amount of crap that you're eating, and your face is going to look a lot sharper, a lot less like puffy and full, and you're gonna have a more defined jaw. It's just gonna make you look so much better, all right? It also is gonna make your abs and your body look better, because if you're retaining a bunch of subcutaneous water underneath your skin in between like the muscle, it's gonna make you look softer and doughier. By increasing the hydration to 120 ounces, reducing the sugar, reducing the crappy fat, you're gonna look so much better and younger. And the last reason why your face is aging faster than your body is stress and bad sleep, all right? Stress and bad sleep, both things show up on your face, all right? If you don't get a good night's sleep, your face is not gonna look good, all right? If you don't get enough sleep, the other reality is that you will typically gain body fat, but today we're talking about your face, all right? You've gotta understand that stress increases cortisol, it increases inflammation, it's bad for your body, it also makes you age faster. You've gotta figure out a way to be less stressed and get great sleep, all right? Sleep is one of those things that is going to make you feel incredible. You go to sleep, your body heals, your body replaces, replenishes, and before you go to bed, skincare, put it on so that when you wake up, you look amazing, all right? A few products that I use before I go to bed, after I wash my face in the shower, all right? I'll put on my serum. I use the level 3 system, which is the advanced T. Shanley system, all right? Because I am a little bit older. It comes with the core 4 products, but it also comes with your eye cream and your anti-aging serum, all right? I go serum, I go eye cream, I go moisturizer, and I hit the sack. I wake up, my face looks amazing, all right? Now, the one thing I will tell you, if you're new to skincare, start with level 1, right? It's gonna come with the 4 core products that you need. It's gonna come with your wash, your scrub, your AM, and your PM moisturizer. But if you wanna take it next level, go level 2, which comes with the eye cream along with your core 4, or like I said, I go level 3. And with that 30% discount, honestly, I would say now is the time to try the nicer system or the higher level system, because you can actually remove products later on. T. Shanley is completely customizable. We really listened to you guys to make sure that we were giving you the system, the products that you needed, when you needed, and what you needed. Gentlemen, bottom line is this. If your face is aging faster than your body, you probably need to fix a few things. It's not that difficult to look great for your age. It starts with skincare. Take care of your body, take care of your diet, drink enough water, exfoliate, wash your face, moisturize, make sure that your teeth aren't yellow, and you will look amazing.